In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an on-fire event for a left mouse button that we can use in our code for later on. So we did set up our input system to be the new input system if you did import in that first-person camera. And we're going to have to locate that input system so we can edit it. And if you did do the same thing as the previous video, that input system should be underneath the input system folder, starter assets input system. And what we're looking for is this starter asset input action set or input action asset. And if I double click this, I should get a pop-up that's going to allow me to add extra actions. And so right now we have the ability to move, look, jump, sprint. We need to add a fire action. So underneath actions, I'm going to click the plus, and this one is going to be called fire. Make sure that you do spell it exactly that way. So after we add the fire, we now need to bind it to the left mouse button. So I'm going to select this where it says no binding, and I'm going to change that binding now. I'm going to do this drop down and choose mouse and do left button. And we should be good to go now. We should be able to look for an on-fire event in our code. We're going to need that in our player controller script this week. So make sure that you do this and set that up. And we can continue on with now starting to program our stuff.